Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.